How to log into IKEA credit card account. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log into your IKEA credit card account. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you have to open any browser on your system. So after you open browser on your system, in the search field you will have to type for IKEA credit card login. So once you have searched that, you will get such interface. So from here you will have to visit the website IKEA credit card manager account. So its URL will be like d.community.net/IKEA. So you have to visit that website. So from here you will have to click on that web, and now on this page you will have to select your card. So the card will be like IKEA project credit card or IKEA Visa credit card. So choose the one from here. Alright, so now in this section you'll have to click on sign in option just at the right hand side of your screen. So simply click on sign in option. Alright, so now in this section you will be able to log in your IKEA credit card. So for that you'll have to move with the login section just at the right hand side of your screen. So on that section, in the username section you'll have to give your username, and on the password you'll have to give your password, and then from there you'll have to click on the sign in option just at the below. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can also go with the options like forgot username and password, and from there you can easily sign in with your IKEA credit card. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log in with your IKEA credit card. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.